How to make a photography website quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build your own photography website. So let's get into it. So whether or not you want to build a appointment and scheduling website, or if you just want to build a simple portfolio, a simple website can easily be built without having to pay for anything whatsoever. And you can use Wix to build your website. Now, there are many other platforms that you can use. So if you want to use WordPress, there is actually a plugin called Pantheon. And if you build your WordPress site via Pantheon, you can actually build your site for free. So that is something to keep in mind if you want to use WordPress. However, for beginners and for people that are just looking to get started and build their own online presence, I think that Wix is going to be a lot easier for you to manage, so that is why I'm going to be using Wix in this tutorial today. However, if you do want to build your site using WordPress, then we do have some videos on that as well, so make sure to check those out instead. Now, to get started with building your own photography website, you're just going to log on to Wix. I already have an account, so you have to just register your email address. That is it. You can use your Google account to link that as well. You can use your Facebook account. You can use your Apple ID to just simply sign up. And once you have signed up, you're just going to click on Create New Site over here, and we are going to begin building our photography website. Now I'm going to be using the Wix editor. The Editor X is more so reserved for people that have some experience with website building. And if you haven't previously created a website, then I would recommend you continue with the Editor X. I think the basic Wix website builder is going to be good enough for you. Now you can enter your website name. Let's say that this is going to be Jane's Photography. And let's say that I want to use this website as a portfolio, and I also want to use it as a place where I can get my appointment and scheduling as well. So you have two options. You can either get a custom built site and you can answer a couple of questions and let Wix build the website for you, or you can begin with a template. So I'm going to click on begin with a template over here. And once I click on begin with a template, you can see there are so many portfolios available, and the second template available is a photographer's template. So you can see there are multiple different templates. Now you can actually click on search all templates over here on the top right and search for photography. So you can see there are so many different photographers available. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this template over here and I'm going to click on edit. And now I can begin editing the template. This will just take a couple of seconds to load up, to load the Wix website editor, and we will customize our template to build our own website. Now, there are two options in terms of setting appointments and scheduling. A lot of people like to use Calendly to do that, and you can also integrate Calendly into Wix as well, and I will be showing you guys exactly how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is you can see on the top left over here, you will have your welcome page, how it looks like and how your website is going to look like. Now I'm going to click on manage pages, and I'm going to actually, you can see this one already has a booking system as well in this template. So you can see this is the portfolio, this is the welcome page. If you scroll down, then the header changes, then you have the menu, and that is it. So you can see it's pretty nice and interesting. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the top left over here, and I'm going to change the text to Jane's Photography. So I'm just going to resize it so it looks a bit better and it fits a bit better, and then I'm going to resize this as well. Now after that, I am also going to manage some of these columns, so I'm going to use these arrows over here and drag them down to increase the size of my header so that the logo or the text that I have input fits a bit better. And then I'm also going to move this a little like so. So I'm also just going to move a couple of things like so, just to make everything fit a little better. Now, once I have done that, you can click on Manage Media on the right side of your screen. You can see this is the portfolio section, and I'm actually going to remove all text, and you can click on Manage Media. And from here, you can just simply add your own images. These are pre-existing template images, but I'm just going to continue with that because this is just a sample website. Now you're going to upload your own images and they will be displayed in the manner that they have been displayed in the template over here. Now for your social bar, you're going to click on Set Social Links. So if you want to add all of your social media links, which for a photographer are super essential, you're just going to click on Set Social Links and you will have your icons. You can click on Add Icon as well to add some more social media icons, and you will simply add the link to your Twitter, to your Facebook, Instagram over here on the bottom right over here, and that is it. Then whenever someone clicks on this icon, they will be led to your actual social media account. Now, after that, if I click on this section, which is the menus and pages, this is the basic portfolio section. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete the welcome page that you guys saw because I don't want that. I just want a direct interface to my website. So it just starts at the portfolio, which is also the home page. Then we have the client's albums. So you can see over here that the client album is a section that I might not want to include, so I will just simply delete that page. Now I have the about page. So I'm going to click on the about page over here, and you can simply click on any of the text to change it. You can click on the background to change it. Let's say instead of an image of a person, I want to keep it a solid color. So I can select any kind of solid color. I can open up the color bar and I can select any kind of color from here, like this, and just like that I'm just going to add this. And you can also customize the blocks. You can customize the way that the text has been aligned and arranged like this. Then you also have your booking online page, so your online booking page. And if I click on my menus and pages and click on book online, now you can simply go into, if you don't already have this section, let's say that you don't, so I'm going to remove this section and I'll show you guys how to add your own booking system, because it might not be included in your own template, the template that you might have selected. So for that, just click on Add Elements, or you can click on the Wix Add Applications on the bottom left over here. You will see this is the icon, and you can simply search for bookings. Now you have Wix bookings, and you will simply click on that, and you can click on Add to Site. Now there are multiple different booking integrations available, and you will simply see that once you add Wix bookings, a book online page will be created on your website. Now, once you've added your book online or bookings page, you will simply click on your services and the hours. So what I like to do is I like to not do this on the website editor. Instead, I click on Manage Services, and this opens up the website manager or the back end of your website. And from here, I like to customize the services and the working hours that I have. So you can see there are some basic template services, and I'm just going to delete that over here. And I'm just going to delete these sample ones and click on Add New Service. So I will click on my booking calendar first, and you can choose what your working hours are. So let's say that you have specific sessions, you have a block time. Let's say you start at 9 in the morning and you work 1 p.m. or 1:30, and then you're going to click on block. And this is the first block that people can book. Now, you can also click on booking services, and this will be, maybe you can click on start from scratch and create your own customized service depending on what kind of service you want. So let's say this is a one-person photo shoot. And then you can add all the information, what are the services you provide, the price, and your pricing plans. You can create multiple different plans. Let's say if you provide a physical album, then you can add multiple charges for that, so on and so forth. And once you've added your service, you will see that if I go into my services section now, the page will be updated and it will actually have the new service added. Now, once you've customized this, you're simply going to click on Publish over here. And once you've clicked on Publish, your Wix site is ready and it is working. It's functional. You can get bookings and display your portfolio, and people can book you online as well as view your work. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.